In this video, we are going to introduce the concept of variables, which can be considered as a base for any programming language. Basically, variable is like a container where you can store any kind of information. A value should be assigned to the variable and then it can be used in Python. And an interesting fact is that there is no need to specify its type. For example, in some programming languages, we need to specify the type of variable like int a, and here we can define like a is equal to 10. The syntax for defining a variable is variable name is equal to value. For example, a is equal to 10, n is equal to 3.14 and x is equal to hugtak. In this case, a is an integer, n is a float type variable and x is a string. But we define all these variables in the same way. As the name implies, a variable can change its value. And you must have understood that Python does not have a specific command just to declare or create a variable. However, there are some rules that we need to keep in mind while defining a variable. Rule number 1. Variable names in Python are always case sensitive. For example, capital A is equal to 4 and small a is equal to 4. Both are treated as a different variable in Python. And rule number 2, name of the variable cannot start with a number. It should be either an alphabet or an underscore symbol. And rule number 3, reserved words cannot be used as the name of the variable. So reserved words can be like print, input, for, while, etc. These cannot be used as variable names. Now let's see how to work with variables in Jupyter Notebook. So first, let's assign values to variables and see how it works. There is no need for an explicit declaration to reserve memory in Python, and assignment is done using equal to operator. Let's move to the example. n1 is equal to 10, and if I want to get the result displayed on the screen, I need to type print n1, press shift enter. You can see that number 10 got displayed in the screen. And in Python, we can assign a single value to multiple variables. I'll show you that. A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 5. And if I type print A, you can see that number 5 will get displayed. And if I type print B or print C, you can see the same result, and that's it. Next, I would like to share with you how a certain number of values can be assigned to same number of variables. To create two variables x and y and assign them values 1 and 2 respectively, we must separate each value and variable with a comma. Let me show you how to execute that. X comma y is equal to 1 comma 2. Press shift enter, and now these variables got declared. If I call x and y separately, you can see the respective values on the screen. Let me type print x. You can see that number 1 got displayed, and if I type print y, you can see number 2 as well. It is very important to remember that the number of variables on the left hand side should match with the number of values on the right hand side. Otherwise, an error message will be displayed. I hope you guys have understood whatever I have told till now. Now I'll show you another way to work with variables. If I want to add two numbers and repeat the process, I can run the program in a different way. For example, x is equal to 6, y is equal to 3, and I want to add these two numbers. For that, I need to type x plus y, and the output is 9. And in the next cell, if I type underscore plus 10, the output will be 19. And in this case, underscore represents the previous output. The next topic is how variable can assign value at runtime. Python does provide the facility to give input from the keyboard, and this can be done using input statement. Suppose if you want to get the name from the user, we can do it in this way. Name is equal to input, enter your name, and you can see that a box got displayed, and in this name box you can type any name. I'm typing Hugtak. You can see that the name got displayed. If I want to get hello along with the name, I need to type print hello plus name. You can see that the message hello Hugtak got displayed. You can do the same thing in another way. Print hello comma name. You can see the same message. In both these cases, I have given hello in double quotes because hello is constant and the name can change. I'll show you an example. Press shift enter. You can type any other name. I'm typing Sachin. Press shift enter, and now type print hello plus name. You can see hello Sachin. So you can see that hello is a constant term and the name can change. Whatever name you type, that will appear as a message. So let's move to the final topic of this video. That's about deleting a variable. Python provides a feature to delete a variable when it is not in use. Using the command del space variable name, we can delete any specific variable. Let me show you an example. A is equal to 5, print A, and the result is displayed. Now if I want to delete this variable, I need to type del space A, press shift enter. You can see that the variable got deleted. Now if I type print A, an error message will be displayed because A is not defined and the variable got deleted. So that's all for this video. Hope you've got an idea about variables in Python. If you have any suggestions or comments, please do let us know. Have a good day.